So I'm a little under the weather, but I'm still gonna make this video because I want to show you guys easy way to get into some honestly, really easy scalps of Nasdaq. Um, really, or any instrument. This works most days. You're gonna find that it's pretty reliable and it gives you really good scalps. Like you can go into a smaller time frame and really scalp out however many ticks you want right here. So I'm going to show you what's going on. So this is the orb. So this is New York session right here, and this is the 15-minute opening range, right? So we'll just hit a replay after it breaks the orb, right? And we're looking for here you go. So this is the 1030 and this is the 945 end cap of the 45-minute zone. How you get that is you just go to here, go to scalping, turn on 45 minutes. And for those unaware, what this does is turn the 45-minute candle into a support and resistance zone. When that ends and starts a new 45-minute candle, it creates what we call an end cap, and that has a ton of unfulfilled orders sitting in it. That's my understanding. So what we're going to do is we're going to wait for price to come back down to either 1030 or 945. This is the 945 one just because of the time. And this is the 1030 one because that's when it was created. So we're just going to wait for that. And then when the beacon line aligns with what we're doing, then we're going to get into the scalp. And then, honestly, we don't even need the candles to do this. We can literally just watch that come down. Right? Okay, so the beacon line's still red. So we've come down to 945 and it's mitigated it completely. And there is our green right there. So I'm not even going to look at price action. And I'm just going to go 5 contracts, maybe just, 40 ticks right here. Just something simple and see what it does. There we go. Boom. $1,000 right there. 5 contracts. You can turn the cameras on. I'm sorry, the candles on, and you can see, boom, there's where price action was. Now, we'll go to the previous day and see if it's going to do this again. Maybe we'll get ourselves another 40 ticks. So we'll go over here, and we're just going to select after the orb break. We're going to look, okay, so right here is 1045, and then 945 has already been mitigated right here. You could have taken this right from the open, but I would always wait for the orb break. So we're looking for price to come down to 1045, and then we're going to use the same method to get into the trade. So let's check this out. We're coming down. We want to mitigate the zone, right? Okay, there we go. Zone's mitigated. And we're breaking up hard. Did we turn green though? Not yet. Yep, see? The beacon line right there is going to save you. Is it green? It's green. So let's try this. And we'll just go up to, we'll go for 80 ticks and see what happens. So we'll go $2,000, 80 ticks, 5 contracts, and see what it does. So there you go. No drawdown, and immediately to take profit within a couple of minutes. So there's another day that you get a really good one. So here is the previous day before that. We're going to do the same thing. We're just going to look for our orb break, right? And just so you can see these zones forming. So these zones are actually leading price, right? Okay, so there we go. So we have a new 45. That's 1030. So our 45 has already been mitigated. Price broke above it and came down through it. So we're looking for 1030 to be mitigated. And when price gets up into it and then our beacon turns red, we're going to be looking for the shorts. And that didn't turn red. We're always waiting until candle closes. And candle closes what we need. So, that's a tall tale sign right there. So we'll go ahead and get into that short. And we're going to go for our standard. I usually just go for 40 ticks and call it good, right? That's enough money. 40 right there. Boom, there it is. And we'll go to the previous day before that, and we'll try the same thing. So we're looking at, here we go. Okay, so we're looking at an orb break, right? So we need our orb break, and we don't have it yet. Okay, there it is. And we have a 45 zone right here. It was mitigated, but we didn't really get any action on the beacon line. So I honestly wouldn't take that. Now we're digging into it, and our beacon has turned green. So I would take that right there. And then we're just going for our 40 ticks, right? We're not trying to hit home runs. We're hitting base hits, and boom, there's 40 ticks. There's another $1,000 day with 5 contracts, and here we go. We're doing it again. So I'm just so I don't have to show you this 100 times. Just take my word that one of these, either the 945 or the 1030, is going to get hit every single day. This is a consistent way to scalp NQ every day and make money. If you don't have this indicator and you want it, go to breakouthunter.com and you can subscribe to it indicator only, or you can join the Hunters Club and get in on live trading sessions with us. I hope you have a great day. If you have any questions, ask in the comments below.